What's going on? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I seriously appreciate you tuning in today. We are back here in my 1991 Mazda Miata, and as you saw from the title of today's video, today is the day. Today is the day we're painting the 350Z HR. Honestly, I cannot believe this day has come. To see that car completely repainted is just going to be so insane. My mind can't even imagine what it's going to look like yet because, to be honest with you, I cannot find very many good pictures of San Marino Blue online. And also, I just feel the car looks so different in different shades of light. Like in the shade or the sun, I feel like it's almost two completely different cars. So, cannot wait to see what it looks like when it's completed, especially next to the red Z. But like I said, we're in the Miata right now. Check it out. It rained last night for 5 minutes, as you can tell. I mean, it looks like a barn find. I promise you, yesterday it looked way better than this, but you know, it rains, knocks all the dirt out of the air, and then here we are. So, got the RPF ones. I know people say the wheels are common, but there's a reason they're common on these cars. It's because they're the best. Simple car, simple wheels. I don't know, I feel like they work so well. Needs a little bit more low though. Anyways, let's go check out the car. They have it all sanded and ready to go. It's seriously in the paint booth right now. I cannot wait. Oh shoot. Wow. Look at this thing. Completely sanded, ready for paint. Man, it looks so good. All the bacon fenders are gone, not a single door ding. The guys over here at TSM are absolutely killing it. I mean, look at this. No more bacon. Oh my God. And this hatch right here. I still haven't completely decided on the color we're gonna go with, but I think we're just gonna do the OEM blue. We got new emblems. Oh man. Yo, this thing is gonna look spotless when it's done, and I cannot wait to see it. All right, I'll check back once again when we start painting this thing. Oh my God. So this is just the first coat, but look at this. You see that like green in there? Blue straight on, and got some green here. This color is insane. I did not think it was gonna look this crazy. Looks so good. I'm lost for words right now. And this is just the first coat. We have like 2 more coats and then clear. Man, once we clear this thing, it's gonna look so cool.
2 hours later.
Oh my God. Yo, this thing looks black right now. 100%, this thing looks black. You can kind of see the hint of blue in there. But man, do you remember all the green? All the green has been hidden by the dark blue, but it's still under there, which is so cool because we have a pearl effect inside of this paint, straight from factory from Nissan, which is just honestly so awesome. Like, I know a lot of people voted to see a custom blue, but honestly, this blue looks so good. There are just not enough San Marino Blue Zs out there in this world to have a completely repainted, the entire car is gonna match every single panel. I just feel so blessed, to be honest with you. This is just so awesome. Yo, the hood bulge. I'm just so excited. Honestly, when we painted the red car, it did not have this hood bulge right here with like this line, and it just adds so much dimension to the front. I've been driving the red car seriously almost every single day since this thing's been here. I have put quite a few miles on this thing already, but I've already really forgotten what it's like compared to the rev up because I've just been driving the red one every single day. So once we get back behind the wheel of this thing, it's gonna be like an entire new experience all over again. I just cannot wait. We're gonna spray the clear coat here any second now. And man, when I tell you the clear is gonna make it pop like no other, personally, I cannot even begin to imagine what it's gonna look like with this clear coat on. This thing really does look black in the darkness. And the fact that it's not black, it's actually blue, just so, so cool. No freaking way. This is the first time I'm seeing this thing, and oh my god. Oh my god. Insane, insane. Wow. Wow. Like I said earlier, I seriously don't think my mind could have imagined how cool this thing has come out. This paint is just insane. So there's still a few blemishes like here, and all that just needs to be wet sanded and buffed away. So they're gonna knock that out in the next coming days. But check this paint out, like I just can't get enough. I mean, it looks black from so many different angles, and then as soon as the sun hits it, it's blue. That is just so cool. Man, this thing next to the red Z is gonna look it's just gonna look insane. Like, I cannot wait to put these cars next to each other and do a little photo shoot. Wow. Dang. All right, what is up? We are in cave mode back here in my red Nissan 350Z rev up. And I realized while I was editing this video just now, I never made an outro, so I ran outside and I'm gonna film this really quick. The blue on that car is turning out absolutely insane. Huge thanks to TSM Collision for helping us out and painting this car. They were able to knock it out so quickly. It's just awesome to see it happen in like a 3-week span. If you need any paint work or any body work done on any of your cars or vehicles in general, I'm gonna put a link to their Instagram page down in the description. Go ahead and shoot them a DM, or I'll put their phone number down there as well, so if you wanna call them, you can talk to Angel at the front desk. He'll totally help you out with any questions you have. But once we get this Z back, I cannot wait to start doing some mods. I don't want to go crazy because the car's perfectly repainted right now, so I'm thinking just different wheels. The OEM wheels are still on there, and I think it would be kind of cool if we did something a little bit different, but still clean, brand new 5% like limo tint all the way around, and then maybe like 50% on the windshield. I think would be pretty cool. We're gonna repaint the entire dashboard black to keep the OEM style of the interior. It even has the OEM radio in there as well, so it's pretty cool, and it's probably due for another interior detail at this point. So anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you're excited for the big reveal of once it's all completed and put back together. I sure am. Hopefully next week that video will drop, and I can't show you right now, but right now I'm staring at a carbon fiber dashboard and I cannot wait to show you guys. So anyways, hit the subscribe button, drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Sheesh. Oh my god.